In this video I'll show you where the fuel filter is located. Driver's side fuel filter. It's going to be right under the rear seat. So once you pull off the bottom cushion, you spin this cap counterclockwise and it unlocks. Pretty easy, just like these little lock. So we already kind of took it all apart, but it's just to get you an idea. It's going to be 10 millimeter nuts all around. So you take those off. We already have it off, so you take this ring off and you pull this out. You have to disconnect the plugs obviously, but we already disconnected them, so we're going to skip that step. But this is what the filter looks like. This is the air line. So on this air, the fuel line, you just press on it and pull it down. It unlocks. Pretty easy. This one you have to pull the clip out, or I'm sorry, you press on it and it unlocks as well. So it's just a slightly different looking clip. Okay. So this is the fuel filter, not the pump.